Hello students, let's solve this question which says the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3 centimeters and the perimeter of the triangle is 4 whole 215 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? This question is from class 8 math, chapter 2, exercise 2.2, and the question is question number 3. So let's first write what is given in the question. Given is the base of an isosceles triangle, which is 4 upon 3 centimeters. Also perimeter is given. Perimeter is given as 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeters. This is a mixed fraction. Let's convert it into improper fraction. So that's going to be 15 times 4. 15 times 4 is 60. 60 plus 2 is 62. So that's 62 upon 15 centimeters. And here we need to find the length of either of the remaining equal sides of the triangle. So here we are going to use the definition of perimeter, which says the perimeter of a triangle or any figure is the sum of all the sides of the figure. And we have been given the base of the triangle. We need to find the other two sides of the triangle. Let's draw the triangle first. So these two sides are the equal sides of the triangle. We need to find these two sides. Let's say that the sides of the triangle, the equal sides of the triangle be x. That's going to be x. And this is given as 4 upon 3 centimeters. Let's say that let the length of either side be x. Equal side be x centimeters. Now we know that it's sum of all the sides of a triangle is equal to perimeter. Equals perimeter. So now we can put the values. Sum of all sides will be x plus the one side given is 4 upon 3 centimeters equals perimeter is 62 upon 15 centimeters. Let's solve this equation. X plus x will be 2x. 2x plus 4 upon 3 equals 62 upon 15. To find the value of x, we are going to leave 2x on the left hand side and will transpose 4 upon 3 on the right hand side. So that's going to be minus 4 upon 3. So 2x equals, the LCM here will be 15. So that's 62 minus 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 62 minus 20 upon 15. So that's 2x equals 62 minus 20 is 42 upon 15. Or to find the value of x, we'll leave x here and we'll transpose 2. So 2 is getting multiplied on the left hand side. So it is going to be in the denominator on the right hand side. Means it is going to divide. So x will be equal to, simplifying this, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. So that's 21 in the numerator and 15 in the denominator. So x is 21 upon 15, which we can simplify because 21 and 15 has a common factor of 3. 3 times 7 is 21, times 5 is 15. So the value of x is 7 upon 5. So this is the value of x, which is the length of the equal sides of the triangle. So we'll write the final answer. Length of either of the equal sides of the triangle is 7 upon 5 centimeters. This is our final answer. Let's box the answer. So this is how we find the length of the sides. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.